Welcome to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss functional wardrobe design ideas for your bedroom. In this section, we will explore a range of creative solutions to organize your clothing, accessories, and personal items while adding a touch of elegance to your bedroom decor. In which number one is built-in wardrobes. Discover the seamless elegance of built-in wardrobes that blend effortlessly with your bedroom's architecture. These custom made wardrobes offer generous storage space, incorporating hanging rods, shelves, and drawers tailored to your specific needs. Built in wardrobes optimize the use of available space and create a clutter free environment, keeping your bedroom tidy and organized. Sliding door wardrobes embrace the modern charm of sliding door wardrobes that are both functional and space saving. With sleek sliding doors, these wardrobes don't require additional floor space for opening, making them an ideal choice for compact bedrooms available in various finishes and materials. Sliding door wardrobes add a touch of contemporary style to your bedroom. Number two is walk-in closets. Step into luxury with walk-in closets that offer a spacious and organized dressing area. These wardrobes provide ample room for clothing, accessories, and even a vanity or sitting area. Walk-in closets create a personalized space where you can start and end with your day with ease, surrounded by your favorite items. Number three is mirrored wardrobes. Explore the dual benefits of mirrored wardrobes, which not only serve as functional storage but also visually expand your bedroom. Mirrored doors reflect light, creating an illusion of a larger and brighter space. These wardrobes also eliminate the need for a separate dressing mirror, streamlining your bedroom design. Number four is corner wardrobes. Optimize every inch of your bedroom with corner wardrobes that make use of often neglected corners. Corner wardrobes provide ample storage without encroaching on the central space, making them a smart choice for bedrooms with limited square footage. Number 6 is open wardrobe concepts. Unleash your creativity with open wardrobe concepts that add a trendy and contemporary flair to your bedroom, showcasing your clothing and accessories in an open and organized manner adds a personal touch to your space and encourages you to curate your wardrobe with care. From classic elegance to modern minimalism, these wardrobe design ideas offer diverse options to cater to various tastes and interior styles. A thoughtfully designed wardrobe not only keeps your belongings in order but also elevates the overall ambience of your bedroom, creating a serene and harmonious retreat. Let's explore the world of wardrobe design ideas together and transform your bedroom into a functional and stylish heaven where fashion meets functionality. I hope these collections of pictures of different wardrobe designs will be very helpful for your home, for your living rooms, for your bedroom. And if you like this video, then please give thumbs up and like and share this video to your relatives, fellows, and other members. And please subscribe my YouTube channel latest core ideas for most latest modern ideas for your indoor and outdoor beauty tricks and tips. Meet you in next video.